Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today we're doing a quick clean and sanitize with me. So my husband was sick for about 4 days and he was confined to our bedroom. So I wanted to make sure that the bedroom got a good cleaning, a good sanitizing, because we just don't want to spread those germs around. So I went ahead and removed everything from the bed and I put everything in the washing machine. I also used this Lysol Sanitizer. I had not used it on my sheets or my clothing and I love the way it made the sheets feel. I mean, it came out smelling so good too and so fresh and so clean, so you definitely have to give this a try. Next, I want to share my wrapping paper organizer that I bought off of Amazon, and I also end up cleaning my filter to the vacuum because when I was vacuuming, you guys, I can smell the dog. Like her dog hairs get caught in there and it just stinks so bad. So I went ahead and cleaned that off with some Dawn dish soap. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a lot of cleaning to do in here. Also, as I was cleaning my bedroom here, I kept getting interrupted by so many phone calls. I think I got called about 100 times. I finally decided, you know what? I'm just gonna have to do my bed on the phone. Like that's the only solution, because if not, this would have been a very long day. I had so much to do. I did not want to wait until every conversation was done. So I just went ahead and made my bed while I was on the phone as well. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into this.
Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I lost you, I lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light?
I don't know about you guys, but in my house, laundry is never ending. So here's that first load. It's going in the dryer, and now I am putting in the second load, which is more sheets coming out of our bedroom, and I still need to do the sheets in my son's bedroom as well.
Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, so in this room, I didn't have to do very much. So the bed was not going to get changed because my stepson only slept in his bed for 2 nights. So we had picked them up Friday, and Sunday, my husband found out he had to be at work super early. So he was not going to be able to take the kids to school. So he took them back to their mother's house. That way she can take them to school, and he was going to pick them up after, but that did not happen. My husband ended up being very busy for the whole entire week. So they actually did not come back to us that week. So all I had to do in here was just kind of tidy up, and that's about it. And then, you guys, this storage solution here. So this is what I got for our wrapping paper. I got it off of Amazon. Green is not my favorite color, but hey, what are you gonna do? So our wrapping paper situation, let me show you guys. So this is the door to our attic. And don't mind the stairs. We had our roof fixed, and all the black stuff like from the ceiling, when every time they kept pounding with that hammer, it just kept falling through. It was awful. But behind the door is pretty much where I have all like our wrapping paper, tissue paper, and things like that, etc. And this was just not working for us because there's only one little light bulb all the way at the top of the attic, and it does not shine. As you can see, it's super dark. So I decided that we're going to go ahead and find another solution. So I did, and I love the way it turned out. So this is what I had behind the door, and this was working for a while, but it just didn't work well enough because there's not enough light. And so when we started getting more wrapping paper and more things, it just did not function for us. So I went ahead and bought this off of Amazon, and I love the way it turned out. And we're actually keeping it in my stepdaughter's room because she's the main one that she gets invited to a lot of parties, and she loves wrapping gifts, and she is excellent at wrapping a gift, you guys. I, on the other hand, do not ask me to wrap a gift because I do not know how. Every time we need something wrapped, we always ask her to do it because she's just awesome at that. So we are either going to store it in her bedroom. It doesn't fit under my bed because it's just a little bit too thick to fit under there, but we might just store it under her bed. That way, whenever she needs something, she can just pull it right out and, use whatever she needs. But I think that this was a great solution for us.
Roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
All right, y'all, so this vacuum needed a good cleaning, so I decided to clean the filter, and then I decided to clean the canister itself. Now the filter, I mean, it wasn't horrible, but it was pretty bad. And once I start smelling my dog through the filter, like the vacuum filter, I know it's time to give it a good wash and good rinse. So I went ahead and washed it with some Dawn power wash, or actually no, some Dawn dish soap, not the power wash. And then I went ahead and let it dry, and after 24 hours you can put it back together. So what I like to do is spray it with some room spray, or I like to use Febreze, or I've also used my Tide fabric spray. Whatever you have on hand, you can spray on it, and that way once you turn the vacuum back on, all you smell is the Febreze or the Tide or whatever it is that you sprayed on there, instead of your dog or whatever other type of smell you have on there.
Don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy.
Okay, look at that dust. That is just so nasty. But the last thing I had to do was take out my son's sheets. I had to put his comforters and his sheets and his bathrobe into the washing machine. And then I went ahead and put it in the dryer. And then I had to remove the lint because my husband gets on to me all the time. I always forget to remove the lint. I don't know why. I just forget, and he always gets on to me because of that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.